Hi, my name is Dr. Chaitanya Khona. So today I'll be talking about gaps between the teeth, front teeth gaps. Lot of people I have seen are concerned about the gaps between their front teeth, and they are concerned that they don't want to get it closed with braces. But what they want is quick solution, and they want it without braces and quicker solutions, and they want to smile confidently. So there are a lot of patients whose work we have done without braces. We have closed these gaps without braces in a single appointment, in 2 or 3 appointments. So braces is not the only option for closing gaps. There are other options which are available as well. So today I will just be talking about these 3 to 4 options which are available for closing the gaps without braces. So the first option is, if you have a small gap, minor gaps between your teeth, between your front two teeth, or multiple gaps which are seen like we are showing in the picture, it can be corrected with fillings. So what are these fillings? These are white colored filling which can close these gaps, and these fillings easily last for around 4 to 5 years without any problems. You can smile confidently, just like the pictures we are showing you here. So that is the first option, and even the cost is very minimal. The fillings are done, these cosmetic fillings are done from somewhere between 2000 to 3000, and it is done in a single sitting where the patient can definitely smile confidently within an hour's time. And the second option is veneers. So what are veneers? When you have a big gap, and you want a more permanent solution, and you want that your teeth should look really nice. Veneers is the second option which you can go for. What we do with veneers is we shape up your teeth, and then we put a ceramic coating on top of it which stays there for at least 10 to 12 years. And the other option after the veneers, is that you can get crowns on top of it. If the gap is really big, and if your dentist feels that we need to shape up your entire teeth, and then we put crowns on top of it. So that is the third option. And the other option is where if you don't want to grind your teeth, shape up your teeth, then the other option without braces, or because some people are very concerned that how will the braces look, the fourth option is aligners. So depending on your case and whatever you want, and whatever your budget, whatever suits your budget, these options are available. And braces is not the only option to close your gap. These clear aligners which look like plastic and are not really visible can also close the gap. Veneers and crowns can also close your gap, and in some cases even with the fillings, the result is very realistic and it looks really great. You can see some of the pictures over here, some of our cases, and you can decide for yourself which treatment you want to go for.